Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of KVPY 2019 essay stream. This is question number 5 of part 1 from the topic geometry. Question says in a triangle ABC, angle BAC is 90 degree. AD is altitude from A on to BC. Draw DE perpendicular to AC and DF perpendicular to AB. Suppose AB is 15, BC is 25, then the length of EF is. Okay. Now let us first make a diagram based on given information. We are given BAC is 90, so at A it is right angle. AD is altitude from A to side BC. Then we have drawn DE perpendicular to AC and DF perpendicular to AB. We are also given that AB is 15, BC is 25, so third side has to be 20 by Pythagoras theorem directly. Now because these are 390 degrees at E, A and F, hence at D also it will be 90. So this AE DF will become a rectangle. Okay, and we are looking for the length EF. So EF is one of the diagonal of this rectangle. Okay, so if we are looking for EF, this can also be written as equal to AD, because for a rectangle both diagonals are equal. Now how AD can be calculated? One very easy thing to do to find AD, that we find area of triangle ABC in two different ways. One is half base into height, in which I am taking 15 as base and 20 as height because it is right angle triangle, or I take BC as base, so 1 upon 2 into 25 into, in that case AD will be the height because this AD is perpendicular to BC, into AD. So if we solve it, we get AD to be equal to 15 into 20 upon 25. So this will become equal to 12. So answer for this EF should be equal to 12. Okay, so answer for this question is A. This completes the solution for this question. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more solutions. Bye.